In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subpage in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know how to neatly organize your navigation using a dropdown and place subpages inside it so visitors can find what they need without a cluttered menu. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. From here, click Website. This takes you into the main site editor, where all of your structure and design tools live. Next, open the Pages panel. Think of Pages as your site's control center. It's where you manage what appears in your navigation and how everything is grouped. In the Pages view, look for the main navigation section. This is the area that maps directly to your site's top menu. To create the container for your subpages, click the plus icon in Main Navigation. When the options appear, choose Dropdown. A dropdown acts like a folder in your navigation. It shows a parent label in the menu, and when visitors hover or tap, it reveals the subpages you'll add inside. You'll be prompted to name your dropdown. Type a clear, concise title, something like Services, Resources, or Programs. Keep it short so it displays cleanly across desktop and mobile. This name becomes the parent label people will see in your menu. With the dropdown created, it's time to add your first subpage. Select the dropdown you just named, then click Add Page within it. This ensures the page is created inside the dropdown rather than floating at the top level of your navigation. When prompted for the page type, click Add Blank. A blank page is perfect if you want full control over layout and content later on. It's now nested under your dropdown, which means it will display as a subpage in your menu. If you need more subpages, just repeat that same process. Within the dropdown, click Add Page, then choose Add Blank again. You can create as many subpages as you need, and each one will appear under the same parent label in your navigation. As you add them, consider a logical order and use names that clearly communicate what's inside each page. That's all there is to it. You clicked Website to enter the editor, opened Pages, used the plus icon in Main Navigation to create a dropdown, named it, selected Add Page inside that dropdown, and chose Add Blank. Repeat as needed to build out your subpages. When you're finished, preview your site to see the dropdown and its subpages in action, and you'll have a clean, easy to navigate menu that scales as your content grows.